What's up, future millionaires? Welcome back to the channel Finance Education, where we teach you how to master your money and live the life of your dreams. If you're in your early 20s and thinking about how you can hit that $1,000,000 mark, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into actionable steps you can take to become a millionaire before you even turn 30. Let's start the intro. First up, start investing early. Time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. One of Warren Buffett's famous quotes about building wealth is, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Compound interest is like magic. Your money grows exponentially over time. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or even in your own business, the earlier you start, the better. You don't need a ton of money to begin. Even small, consistent investments can turn into significant wealth down the line." Next, live below your means. It's easy to get caught up in the lifestyle inflation trap, where you spend more as you earn more. But to build wealth, you need to resist this urge. Keep your expenses low, save aggressively, and reinvest that money into wealth-building assets. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Poor mindset people spend their maximum income and show up their rich lifestyle. So, they can't build their wealth. They became poor day by day.
Third, build community. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with like-minded, ambitious people who can motivate and push you towards your goals. Networking can open doors to opportunities that you wouldn't find on your own. Also, never stop learning. Whether it's through books, courses, or mentors, keep upgrading your skills and knowledge. This will make you more valuable in the marketplace and help you spot opportunities faster.
Fourth, develop multiple streams of income. Another key to becoming a millionaire in your early 20s is to develop multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income is risky and limits your financial growth. Explore side hustles, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or start a small business. The goal is to create income streams that can grow over time, providing you with more security and faster wealth accumulation. Finally, take calculated risks. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The path to becoming a millionaire isn't always safe or predictable. Sometimes, you need to take bold steps, whether it's starting a business, moving to a new city for better opportunities, or investing in something new. However, make sure these risks are well thought out and based on solid research. If you want to build a business, make sure you can handle the risk. High risk often comes with high reward, but it needs to be calculated. So, let's recap. To become a millionaire in your early 20s. Number 1, start investing early. Time and compound interest are your best friends. Number 2, live below your means. Keep expenses low and save aggressively. Number 3, community and keep learning. Build relationships and upgrade your skills continuously. Number 4, develop multiple streams of income. Diversify your earnings to build wealth faster. Number 5, take calculated risks. Be bold, but make sure your decisions are based on research. If you apply these principles and stay disciplined, hitting that $1,000,000 mark before 30 isn't just a dream. It's a very real possibility. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay focused, and you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment, millionaire, if you're ready to start your millionaire journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.